We're here today, guys, with the winning coach, Raymond. Speak to us about today's performance.
Good game from St. George's College first and foremost. I thought they played us better than they did in the last game. However, today we made some tactical adjustments and it paid off for us.
Do you mind sharing some of those tactical adjustments that you would have made?
You were here. I thought you would have seen them.
I mean, for the people who probably weren't here.
Well, we changed the system throughout the game. Asking instead of predominantly depending on our wingers, we tweaked it a little bit and went with 2 centre forwards, and it paid dividends for us.
All right, coach. So this game, a big statement game, managing to score 3 goals and absolutely wiping Georges off of their home field. What does that do for morale in the team? What does that do for the chemistry and morale that you guys are building at KC?
Definitely, the guys, whether the result yes or not, we were always positive. We were confident we would have gotten a result, but if we didn't, we still would have been confident going into the second round, knowing that we would have already been qualified for the second round. So not that we were bypassing this encounter, very important encounter, but we were also having one eye on the second round also.
Alright, so you guys would have gone through your first round almost unscathed, barring that one match last week, your actual home game in this exact fixture. Speak to us about how you feel about your team's first round overall. Were you underwhelmed, overwhelmed, or were you just basically impressed? And then speak to us about how can you carry what you did in the first round into the second round.
You know, coming into the season, you yourself didn't give us a chance. I don't know if you do, you change your mind now. Most media houses didn't give us a chance because of the amount of players and young fit players and new faces that we're coming in with. And it's amazing. The guys, I think they have performed so great that if we don't get great results or better results coming into the second round, must congratulate them for the effort that they have put in so far.
Alright, so second round now. You won't be facing the Waterfords and the Ardens and the Meadowbrooks of this world. You'll be facing some of the top dogs. Do you think those teams playing them on a consistent basis would pose a challenge to your guys' psyche and mentality?
Definitely. No team coming into the second round is an easy team. Irrespective of the position that they have finished coming in, the quality teams, the better teams are in this second round. So every game will be a tough one and a difficult one.
And coach, today's man of the match in this or that sports TV's opinion, Dejan Richards, managing to score yet another goal and getting yet another assist. Speak to us about his individual performance today, because he definitely improved upon his performance from last week.
Dejan Richards is a special talent. Everybody knows that. Dejan Richards himself knows that he's a special talent. And myself and Dejan, we smile a lot, we talk a lot, and he's just a wonderful player to have, and I keep saying it. Every team has a special player, and he's our special player.
Alright, coach. And lastly, just tell people what can they expect of KC going forward, not only into the second round but beyond.
Positive, being positive. Irrespective of who we play, whatever the results, we'll always be positive.
Alright, thank you, coach.
Thank you very much.